Hi, I'm Mr. Shula, and I'm the digital media teacher here at Fife High School. I've actually been in the district for over 30 years, and I graduated from Fife High School back in 1980. I have 3 sons. I live in Puyallup. My pastimes, I love to cycle. I bike to work almost every day. I like to go hiking, spend time with my sons, and I love to take photographs and make movies. So I teach 4 classes. I teach photography, video productions, broadcasting, and drone piloting. In photography, you will use a DSLR camera to learn fundamental skills such as composition, exposure, and depth of field, and apply these concepts to different genres of photography. From behind the camera to in front of the computer, you will also learn how to digitally enhance and master your pictures utilizing software applications such as Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom. In Intro to Video, you'll learn how to operate the cameras, lights, and microphones used in film production. We'll also cover techniques for taking powerful and compelling shots, and how to edit your shots into a story using Adobe Premiere. Students will learn on the same equipment as used by professionals. Broadcast media students take the next creative and technical leap in their development as photographers and filmmakers. Students learn to write, direct, and produce short films for the Shulapalooza Film Festival, videos for Trojan TV, and other special projects. Limited only by their imagination, students have access to the most current production gear. Media projects are assembled in our state-of-the-art iMac lab using Adobe and Apple software. YouTube and Instagram are the main platforms used to share student productions. The course prepares students for college programs and careers in the industry, ranging from film and television, photography, sports, media, and local production studios. Students that have shown a strong aptitude and interest in pursuing photography or filmmaking as a career will be offered the opportunity to attend the Hollywood trip. Still want more? There are broadcast media internship courses available for students who want to take the classes multiple times. The fastest growing careers out there is drone piloting. In this course, you'll master your drone piloting skills and work towards earning your FAA 107 license. The course is hands-on and fun, but it is rigorous. Having your FAA 107 license creates numerous job opportunities. The skills that you take away from my class will serve you for years in your personal and professional life. So sign up for one or more of my classes. It'll be a hands-on journey. You're going to work hard, you're going to learn a ton, but you're going to have fun, you're going to laugh, and you're going to create and share memories that will last a lifetime.
Shine, make 'em wonder what you got, make 'em wish that they were not on the outside looking boy.